Think about the last time you decided to finally grow your legs and get in shape. You probably watched some YouTube videos, followed some home workouts, but nothing happened. Do you know you look strong until your legs enter the frame? Sorry, but that's the reality. In this video, I will give you the ultimate home leg workout to build absolute aesthetic legs. And this is the guarantee. We will do 4 main moves. But listen, doing them is not enough. You must do them in proper form. Perfect form is the only thing which builds muscle mass. So, let me handle this. Move number 1. Running. Remember, intense running reduces fat as well as muscle. You have to run at least 10 to 20 minutes daily. Running is the energy of your legs and makes them a powerhouse of your body. It gives you strength and removes the layer of fat. Fat, which is hiding your calves and quads muscles and making them soft. Move number 2. The squats, the king of all leg exercises. Heavy squats can grow up to 70% of your legs because they destroy your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, and increase your raw pushing power. Pay attention here. Plant your feet slightly wider than your shoulder width. Point your toes out. Now keep your chest up. Drop your hips back. And control the movement. If basic bodyweight squats are too easy, increase the weight. Put a heavy backpack on your back or hold dumbbells. Try to do heavy squats. 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps is enough. Move number 3. The hamstrings. This muscle is one of the biggest muscles of your legs and covers 70% width. Without hamstrings, your legs will look like chicken legs. Do Romanian deadlifts. Grab your heavy backpack or dumbbell. Keep a light bend in your knees. Now hinge your hips straight backward. Do not round your spine. Keep it flat. Feel the massive deep stretch in the back of your legs. Then explode back up and squeeze your glutes. 4 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Move number 4. The calves. Stop blaming your genetics. If you are doing this, incline running on toes is one of the most underrated workouts for your calves. Generally, army men use this, or you can find a stair. Stand on the edge with just your toes. Drop your heels all the way down and feel the deep stretch in your calves. The more you stretch, the more you burn, then explode up. You can grab water bottles for extra weight. 4 sets of 20 to 25 reps. That's enough. One more pro tip. Legs are a big part of your body, so you need more protein to add massive muscle mass and deep sleep to make fast recovery speed. Train your legs at least 2 days a week. If you feel this video is helpful, do like and subscribe. Thank you.